Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove watermark from AI videos online for free with no quality loss. No software download, no complicated editing, and honestly it takes less than a minute. If you've ever downloaded an AI video and realized there's a logo, text, subtitle, or even some random object stuck on it, yeah, super annoying. So let me show you the easiest way to fix that. We're using HitPaw Online Video Watermark Remover. It's 100% online, works on any device, and it's powered by AI, which means no blur, no weird artifacts, and no resolution drop. First, upload your video. Just click Choose File or drag and drop your video right here. M4, MOV, AVI, all the common formats are supported. Once your video is uploaded, you'll see the preview instantly. Then select the watermark. This part is super simple. Just click and drag to highlight the watermark area, whether it's a logo, text, subtitles, date stamp, or even a moving object. If your video has multiple watermarks at different times, no problem. Just move the progress bar, select each area, and the AI will handle them all. Now let's save and download. Hit process, and it usually takes a few seconds. And while the AI is doing its thing, let me quickly tell you why this tool actually works so well. HitPaw uses AI to analyze every single frame of your video. Instead of just blurring or covering the watermark, it reconstructs the background behind it. That's why you don't get those ugly smudges or flickering patches, even with moving watermarks. It also tracks motion across frames, so if the watermark moves, or the background changes, the result still looks smooth and natural, not like a cheap cutout. And another thing I really like, everything runs online. No software to install, no heavy system requirements, and no learning curve at all.